Okay, so sometimes these Robin doors, they'll stop working, and it's for a couple of reasons. Sometimes the batteries in here are dead, but if your batteries are pretty fresh, then what you might do is when you disconnect this, the pin might trigger, and you look down in here in this the male side of this plug. They have a tendency to these pins have a tendency to pull down in there, and so what I usually do is just try to push them up as far as I can. Sometimes actually I'll take this tape off and it allows these to move a little easier, because it's really just like two wires going into one pin, and then just shoved up in there. And then I use the needle nose just to straighten these out so they're nice and even, they're not twisted in there. And you don't want to pull on them too hard. You probably won't pull the wire out, but it's better safe than sorry. Don't pull on them too hard. Try to shove them up in there. And then this is what I do. I take a little zip tie like this, and if you have a longer one, you can double wrap it. You can get a better torque on it if you double wrap it. And then some scissors or some side cutters like that, and then plug it back in, and you should be mostly good. These doors are made, you don't have to push the door, but they're made, I believe it's a 15-second timer that they have on them. And the pins are made to sense, or the sensors are made to sense they're made to sense a change in the Earth's magnetic field. So if they move, that's why when you move them, if you're installing the door or something, and you move the sensors, then the pin will move. It's just because it can sense whenever there's a change. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos.